गोयचो टाउन प्लॅनिंग मंत्री बाबू कवळेकरान रवींद्र भवनान एक स्टेटमेंट दिलो मिडियाक की फॉर्मर मंत्र्यांनी ओल्ड गोवान ते कंट्रोवर्शियल घराक परमिशन दिलें. आतां मंत्र्यान इंटेन्शनली फॉर्मर म्हणटा तें वेग दवरलां आनी इन अ वे ही इज ट्रायंग टू इन्सिन्युएट that the previous minister could have been behind giving the permission to this controversial structure coming next to the St. Cajetan Church in Old Goa. So आज हांव हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता हो इश्यू क्लॅरिफाय करपाक, राजकारण करपाक न्ही. At the onset I want to make it very clear that because the town planning minister of today, Babu Kavlekar, made a very vague statement saying that his former minister has given the permission, in a way trying to insinuate that the previous minister, who is me, could have given the permission. I need to clarify. It becomes urgent on me to clarify. I am having this press conference only to clarify and not to do politics in the issue. Now, I have found out about this, the details of this permission. Since it comes in the conservation committee, this conservation committee approval was given on 7th of October 2016. Subsequently, in 11 days, technical clearance have been given by the town planning department on 18th of October 2016. As per my inquiries, the town planning department permissions were issued to one Jose Mari Govia Pinto when the BJP government under Mr. Lakshmikant Parsekar, and not a coalition government, was ruling Goa. When the late Francis D'Souza was the town and country planning minister in that BJP government. Goa Forward Party formed a coalition government and I was sworn in as a minister on 14th of March 2017. November, December, January, February, March, which is 5 months after the permissions were issued. Issue of this house in Old Goa and links to Suraj Lotlikar came to be reported in the media in May 2021. In June 2021, Suraj Lotlikar was asked to step down as an office bearer of the Goa Forward Party. Now, the construction of this controversial structure has begun when Babu Kavlekar was the TCP minister and is the TCP minister again in a non-alliance BJP government. Let me make it very clear. This is not an alliance government. It is a full BJP government. It was a full BJP government that gave the approval, and it is a full BJP government during which the construction of this structure began.